Yeah, do you know what this is? Goodwill. This is the line waiting to donate. Go all around there. It's been like that for 2 weeks anytime I stop by. It's awesome. Besides the donating line being 8 to 10 cars deep from both directions, hardly anyone's shopping yet, so that's great. So I'm gonna go on in before I go to the grocery store. Okay, yep, not too busy in here yet. Most everybody's out donating. So let's just breeze through here real quick. I see stuff I haven't seen before already. So, what are you, Russ? Oh my goodness. Nah. $2.99. Oh, y'all knew I was going to get this, didn't you? You guys were probably going, oh, there she goes. She's going to grab that. I don't care if it's new or old. It's only $2.99. How much are you? $2.99? I might get you too. Made in Canada. Oh. Jocelyn, Crazy Lamp Lady, was just talking about that on one of her videos, and I remember thinking, yeah, you're right. There's some artists that are making some money making just like ceramic bags and stuff. This is a ceramic box. Made in Canada. Okay, we'll look that up. Ouch, $9.99. Dang. Dang, Goodwill. Okay, we'll still check it out. 1969 it said, but that's a home project. What are you guys doing? Are you kidding me? A little home co, but made in Mexico. Oh my gosh. A little too much for resale, but I love you guys. Okay. Darn about this one. It's missing the twin. It is made in Japan. It's in pretty rough shape though, so I think I better pass, but that's adorable. What is that? Wooden. It's like one of those oil lamps. Oh, let's see what you are. $2.99. I think this is it looks like a haul to me, but there's no mold mark, so maybe it's okay. I don't know. I have a set of these I got super cheap. They're kind of cool for $1.99. Hugest mortar and pestle I've ever seen. They want $60 for that. I don't think so. I already have some, but if I needed one, I would just go to Ross, I guess. $60 is a lot. Let's see. These aren't very big to add to the other ones I'm going to sell. $1.99. I think I'll pass on those. That's getting a little bit too small to be a good profit margin. I've already seen most of this stuff, you guys. So here's something new. It's a Lefton. I might check that out. Oh, I added this real quick. I don't think that's vintage or anything. I just like it. The pink and the blue. Let's add it to my collection. People aren't respecting the 6-foot rule too much today. I'm not gonna stay long because I'll get aggravated. Oh, wait a minute. I know it's only clear, but it is a bunny. It's a bunny. If it doesn't have any chips, I'll get that for $3. Big Lots type stuff. I already looked at that kind of stuff last time. He's new here. $5. A mold project, but someone did a good job. Look, they did a pretty good job. I'm pretty sure that would sell, but I don't know for how much. I'm gonna let someone else enjoy it. Oh, that's a cute light switch cover. If it was just 2, I'd think about it, but it's 3. Brass is becoming all the rage again, but this is just a number 1, and it is super heavy. Super heavy. Oh, this is delicate. Balik. Let's put that in there too. That's a little Balik. Let's check that out. It's real delicate. Cast iron. This is new. It's not awesome. Okay, on to the next row. That looks modern. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Made in formalities, made in China. It's kind of cool though. Oh, you know what? I forgot to check to see what's on sale. Purple and yellow, and then the secret color would be white, which would be 50% off. Okay. Purple and yellow. Okay, Easter colors. It's a cute little shallot. Chalet goblet. Chalice goblet. Okay, we need to... Well, it's cracked and chipped, so I guess I won't bother. But I probably should, just to learn a new name. That says something.
Rob to the registers, please. Rob to the registers. Thank you.
Resin. I'm trying to get to this. I know it looks weird. It's a key holder, but look, it's got a scorpion on it. So how much are you? $159? I think someone made it. That's a possibility. I don't know why, but that's a possibility. $249. That's kind of pretty, isn't it? That's a maybe. I'm going to put you up higher. Okay, I'm back. Did I look at you last time? I feel like I did. Looked at you. Here it is. Schumann bird plates. Let's check those out. I did the vases. I didn't film because there was a lady not wearing her mask, so I just wanted to do it real quick. I grabbed this quickly. I haven't looked underneath for the name, but it looks like that raku stuff. So I just threw it in the cart. Now you might say, what's all that Tupperware? Oh wait, look. Aw, that's cute. Well, the reason is, let me tell you about this. I know some of you might relate. Your Tupperware section, your Tupperware drawer or cabinet, all of a sudden it's like half dog chewed. There's more lids than there's containers. It's like crazy. So every once in a while, I just clear it all out and start over. And I like this set. These are made in Japan. I can't read the name without my glasses, but I see the made in Japan. They're PBH free and a bunch of other important things. So I like the made in Japan, and they're real quality. Like, this is a nice silicone lid, and the plastic's pretty clear. So I'm going to get that nice set. They're $129 to $249, and I'm going to clean out my Tupperware thing. It's a hot mess. You can't even open it without stuff falling out. So this is, usually I just, at Walmart or something, I just get some of this stuff. But that looks superior. So we're going to do that. I'll look up the name when I go over to a quiet corner to look up everything else. All right, let's move on. That's a nice cupcake holder. I already have one though. Wait a minute. These are Better Homes. Okay, they look like wood chargers. This is all plastic and party goods, okay, you guys? So I'm not passing up anything. It looks shiny and pretty, right? But all right. A few interesting mugs. Nothing I really want to get, but I pulled out a few things to double check. Oh my goodness. Japan, that's what I thought. Oh, there's only one of you. You're cute. You might be Japan too, that little lusterware. Yeah, Japan. That one says made in Japan. This one just says Japan. Darn. Wish there was two of you.
Attention, Decor associates. We'd like to invite you to the sales floor to greet our guests to create a clean, fun, safe environment for all. Attention, Goodwill shoppers. We'd like to direct your attention.
I think that's vintage.
We got two in the women's, one in the men's, and one in the
Oh, you made it over here.
If you like a location between us and associate, we'd like to assist you.
Cute. $3.99. Looks new, but it's cute. What is that? Let's see. China, but it's cute. Wait a minute, what's this? Okay. I'm grabbing these to see if they're vintage or not. Nice little vintage atomic glasses. We'll check those out. Nope. And I see something else we'll check out. Maybe. Checking out the lamps. This is the first time in a long time I've found anything interesting. Dang. Its little eyes are missing. What is this? Oh, there it is. And it's $12.99. I might get that. I wish it was like... Is that cute? I can't tell. The poodle's cute, but... Is that a little bulldog or pug? Okay, let me check it out. I'll be right back. Okay, I am going to get that. It's a crawn. And some of them sell for pretty good money, so I'll figure out what to do about the eyes. It's only $12.99. But I found something else. Look at this, you guys. I heard about this about 5 years ago. People buying thrift store paintings and then adding like lolcat and stuff like that to it. So here they've added the Loch Ness Monster and a Pegasus, and I don't know what they added in there. Now this one is not really that well done, but I've seen some that were really well done, and you know, by a more known artist, and they can sell. They can sell for some money. So, all right, that's an original, but yeah, that's an original. It's okay. This one's kind of interesting. M. Anderson 86. I hope they kept on painting, because if so, by now they're probably really good, because that already has potential, doesn't it? Hey, I looked at shoes real quick. Picked out a couple things. I don't know why I have those in there. I do not wear animal print, but they're Steve Madden and they're calf hair. Oh, I don't know. Maybe just to resell. Anyways, look, you guys. I almost passed it up because I'm like, that doesn't even look like real leather. And I hope it's not a fake, but I'm going to put it in the cart and check it out, because I'll show you why. It's a Patricia Nash. So if this isn't a fake, I've done well. So we'll see. Oh, man. Well, I don't know. We'll see. See, it Is that real leather? Okay, we'll check it out. And then that means I need to double check and make sure there's not another one. So, some cool purses. These are all fake leather though, but they're cool. So, wait a minute. That one looks like it has a real leather strap. So now I'm just checking out this section. It's mostly Ipsy bags. That's a cute one though. See, mostly the Ipsy bags. But I did pull out this. I think this is going to be for me. I like that hologram look. It's still new with tags, but here's why. For traveling, when I get to travel again, yeah, it has that. So, I remember when we went to Vegas, Lindy recommended it. I didn't do it then, but I think I'll do it now since that's only $3.99 and brand new. So I'm just looking for cool wallets, anything leathery, anything vintage. I can sell vintage makeup bags pretty darn easy. So there's a little Victoria's Secret something or other, still new. It's too much though, $7.99. Nicole Lee. Bunch of Michi covers. Okay, wait, what was that? Coach. Got ink on it though. How much is it? $6.99. Okay, no. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit when I find something else cool. Okay, well, I didn't find anything else cool. I kind of breezed through clothing. So we'll do a little haul video in a couple of days. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Thanks for shopping with me. I really appreciate it.